Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to uninstall MySQL completely from our Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. So let's start. So you can check your apps from on Windows and from all, and then here apps. If you type here my SQL. So it will list all of the apps of MySQL we have installed in the system. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 apps in my system right now. So you can also check from here, settings, and then apps. And from here, if you type here MySQL, it will list down all of the apps we have installed in our system. And you can also find from here control panel and uninstall and MySQL. I can find all of the MySQL apps installed in system from here. So let's try to uninstall one by one. So first I will install MySQL Workbench. Right click and click on uninstall and click on yes. So it will take a little time to uninstall. So a pop-up will appear. Do you want to make changes to device? Yes, allow. So Workbench is uninstalled. So let's go for MySQL shell. Yes, I want to uninstall. Click on yes, I want to allow. So you have to wait. It's take a little time to uninstall MySQL shell. So the second one is uninstalled. So let's try to uninstall MySQL server. Right click and click on uninstall and you click on yes. Yes, I want to allow. Click on yes. So let's try to install next app. Uninstall next app. MySQL router 8.0. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. Yes, I want to allow. So let's try to uninstall MySQL installer community. Click on uninstall. So there is a chance that you don't have all of these install apps installed on your system. If you install this app in custom uh, option by choosing 1 or 2 apps. So the first step is complete. Let's try to move to next step. Go to your C drive. From here, program files, and from here, type here, find out MySQL, and you have to uninstall. You have to delete this one. Right click on here, click on delete. So done. So one step back, and from here, program data, and same we have to find here MySQL, and you have to delete this one. Right click and delete. So the last step, go to C drive, and then users, and your user on which you have installed MySQL. So your user and then app data, grooming, and from here MySQL, and right click and delete. So by this way we have uninstalled MySQL completely from our system. Let's try to find out on search MySQL. Go to apps. So we have one left, MySQL community. Let's try to uninstall this. Yes, what it says. Okay, so this is MSI version, so we can install from there. So we have successfully uninstalled MySQL server from our Windows 10 machine. So good luck, guys. If you have curiosity, feel free to comment below. If you want a video on any of the tech tool installation or any of the error or issue, you can feel free to comment below.